So actually, the counter area is an area that you're going to need to update, because that does not update automatically. And then, so where to do that is you just come to here, and when you're ready to add more, update the counter, you can just go ahead and use this little clicker to change that number. Okay. Upcoming events. I will go over how to update events in a separate section. This is pulling in the events that are in the event area, so this isn't necessarily a part of the page that you'll need to ever edit. This is pulling in posts. So again, you won't necessarily need to edit this area of the page ever either, because as you add new posts, they will begin to show up in this section. And new events will start to show up in this section as well. The only thing that you might want to do at some point, but if you do want to do that, I can create a separate video feed for that at a separate time, but you might want to make this section of the page longer so that more events and more news shows up on the page. If you want to do that, I can create a separate tutorial on how to do that. And then down here, this is pointing to a widget, which is just in another section of the site, where those this area here for the shops. This is all in a widget, which I will show you. We go under Appearance, Widgets, and it's actually called Bottom Sidebar. And then if you go into here, this is where you can update any of the information. If anything were to change, like the hours, here's where the hours are. And each one of the shops has its own little section that can be edited. Okay. So that's basically the home page and how to edit the various sections. So I'm going to leave off there, and I will pick up with more information in another video. Thanks. Bye-bye.